guys, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. So for today's video, I'm trying something a little new for my wash day. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-poo my hair with the Curls and Potions Chubby and Mint Collection Clay Gloss. And this is what it looks like. So I've been seeing this all over Instagram lately, and a few of my Instagram friends are brand ambassadors for this company, and I've just been dying to try a ready-made clay mask. I usually do the Aztec clay mask on my hair, but you know, you gotta like prepare it, like you gotta add the powder and then water and oil and apple cider vinegar, all that stuff. And honestly, I was feeling a little lazy today, and I wanted to just like have a ready-made clay for my pre-poo today. So usually I don't use a clay mask to pre-poo, but over the last few weeks I've been using my Aztec clay mask, and it has just been a complete difference as far as my wash days go, and as far as like just how my hair looks when I do like a wash and go or what have you. It's just a lot cleaner, and you know, clay masks, like they really help to like remove all the dirt and the gunk off of your hair before you even start your wash day. So usually I only do clay masks like every now and then, but it has become part of my weekly wash day. So I'm really excited to try this out and see if this will become a part of the wash day. So, you know, sometimes I won't have to make my Aztec clay mask, you know? So before we get started, you already know what to do. I just caught the way I look, and I look crazy right now. Y'all already know what to do. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know you be coming to my videos, watching all my videos, and you don't subscribe. Like, why? Why? Also, while you're there, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. And while you're in the following mood, make sure you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. It is just my name at Imani Shakir. I post there daily. We're not even gonna talk about it, but y'all know it's popping. All right, let's get started. So the directions say apply to sections of damp hair, smooth down each section, making sure the hair is fully saturated. Focus treatment on the length of the hair, avoid the scalp. Leave on for 30 minutes to 4 hours or longer, but not overnight. Rinse well, follow with a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, they still got the seal on. Y'all, it smells so minty. It definitely says mint, doesn't it? I'm trying not to get it, I mean, it's about to be on my fingers, but I don't know, I'm trying not to get it on my fingers just yet. I'm like OCD, I like all of that off. I don't want not a little bit of the seal protectant on. So by first glance, it's very creamy and clay-like. Like, it's the consistency that I always try to get my Aztec clay mask to be, and this is it. So it just looks like a mud, because usually a clay mask is like clay, it's mud. And the smell, it smells delicious. It smells like chocolate and mint. Like it smells like the little chocolate mints that they put on your hotel pillow, you know? Ooh, that smells good. All right, I should be wearing gloves, but I don't have any. I need some more gloves. Oh well, it's fine. It's not like I have nails on or anything, so it is what it is. All right, so my hair is very dirty right now, y'all. Like really dirty. And I have a lot of gel in it from the last wash and go, so I just wanna like remove all of this product before I do my next wash and go. So let's see how this does. It told me to do this on damp hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this section. And to make it a little easier on my life, I'm actually gonna split this section into two. Go ahead and make that nice and damp. Grab like this much for now, and hopefully I won't need any more, but we're gonna focus on the ends of my hair. I love the way that just went on though. It's nice and smooth. I love the way it's going on. Like this is the exact consistency that I always want my clay masks to be, and I can just never get it there. I think I'm just like scared of too much water or like apple cider vinegar, I don't know. I can be very heavy handed, but this is not a huge jar, so I don't want to do too much. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that other section. And now that I'm done with both sections of that one section, I'm gonna just throw my little ponytail on there to keep it away and focus on the rest of my hair. Okay, I am all finished. I hope I got all the sections of my hair. I really love the consistency of this. The only issue that I have is I'm pretty much done with this jar. Like, I maybe have enough for one more application, maybe. I use a lot, and I know I'm heavy-handed, but like, sheesh. And I love it. But I feel like it should be like a 12 ounce or a 16 ounce jar, not 8 ounce, because like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's because I just like am heavy handed, but I couldn't see how I could use any less, and I'm like almost done. Either way, I really like the consistency and the way my hair feels. It already feels a lot softer, and like I'm gonna have no issues when it comes to detangling. So I am gonna go ahead. It says that I can leave this on anywhere from like 30 minutes to 4 hours. I don't know, I don't think I have 4 hours because I have to leave soon, but I may just leave it on while I'm out. Either way, it's gonna be on for at least an hour or so. I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'll come to you guys to show you guys what it looks like after it's been washed out. All right, so I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so it is all rinsed out. I didn't even wash my hair yet with shampoo. I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like just completely rinsed out from the clay and how my hair feels. So this is what we're looking like. Let me get a little closer. I think I got it all out. I'm not too concerned because I'm going to go ahead with the shampoo in a little bit. But for the most part, I don't feel any of that gel residue or that gunky feel anymore. So I mean, it did exactly what I would like for it to do, and that is to lift out that gunk before I even start my wash day. And my hair does feel a lot softer and manageable. So I'm hoping detangling is gonna be nice and easy this go round. I don't detangle until deep conditioning time anyway, but we shall see. So according to the back of this, it pretty much says that with each application, my hair is going to be stronger, shinier, and thicker. And of course, it detoxifies my hair and removes the impurities. So I mean, it did the removing of the impurities, but I won't find out about all that other stuff until I use it a few more times. But right now, I am very happy with it. The only downside is, like I said earlier, is that price point for such a little bottle, such a little jar. And I'm pretty much almost done with the jar. So if they had a larger jar, it helps that you don't have to prep anything. It's literally just right there in the jar, unlike the Aztec where you have to like make it yourself, you know? So yeah, I'm happy, I'm loving it. Let me go shampoo my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Follow me on my social media because you guys will see just kind of like the aftermath of all these kind of videos and how I'm truly loving my hair. And I also do little reviews on there as well. So make sure you guys follow me there. Also, let me know in the comments below if you've tried this product and how you feel about it, or if you've tried another kind of like ready-made clay mask or even like a pre-poo that you guys think I should try, and I will go ahead and give that a try. Okay? Alright, other than that, I will see you guys for my next one. Bye!